Time live, and fortunately, unfortunately for myself, it's game time, and this is all Christine's, look at my face, idea. Christine, love me, man. So we're going to play a game called charades.
We're going to each select a card, and on the card it tells you what the thing is supposed to be. And on that card, we're going to hold the card above our heads, and the co-host will use 3 words to describe whatever it is on the card, and we have to get a point for each correct answer. All right. Want to start? All right, you go first. So the first one is the activity. Go on. I'm going to make you.
So it's activity?
Right. So, no, turn it that way.
Oh.
Wow.
What, my seat's already?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to put this one away.
Yes.
Is it...
Put it down and just pick up the next one quickly. Do not turn, no, right, don't turn.
So do like this and then put it on my head.
And then put it,
okay.
All right.
But I can just look at the screen and cheat.
3 words.
Okay. I'm not looking at the screen. I'm not a cheater.
Desk.
Okay. School.
Camera.
Daytime live.
7 o'clock.
News. Newsroom, news desk, primetime news.
Yeah.
Hey!
See? Yes, you realize?
Yeah.
I'm really good at giving...
Me don't know about that.
Look at this, people. Look
Me
at
don't
this.
know about that. That's a 1 point.
On this.
One. So who got the point, me or him?
Okay, so people. All
okay.
Right, cool.
3 words. Sister of shame.
Sister of shame?
Is Beyonce.
Sister of?
Beyonce.
Sister of Beyonce? Like, really? Sister of Beyonce? Solange?
Okay. Oh, that's it? It's not the sister, it's the mother. I thought it was a sister, it's the mother. But it would have been a good clue.
One sister she have,
the mother.
Solange. Mother of Bay.
Let's go.
Mother of Bay.
So
okay,
sister.
Wait. Listen, 3 words.
So only use 3 words?
Stretching, Pilates, not. Stretching, not Pilates. Not stretching Pilates. Pilates, not stretching. It's an activity. It's
yoga. I didn't even get that. Why are you putting Pilates in there?
So no, see, Pilates
but it could be aerobics, it could be chisel-it, it could be anything. That's awful.
Places in Jamaica. Places in Jamaica.
Oh, okay.
Places in Jamaica.
I don't want that. I'll take that.
Huh?
Leave that. Put that down.
All right, cool. Go.
People.
All
no,
right,
I'll take the places. You say the people.
All right. Cool.
Yes. Come on, no, in Jamaica. Go. Woo. Prime Minister.
That's 2 words.
It's a hyphenate. Of Jamaica.
Brogad.
That's not it. Say his name.
Huh?
Say his name.
Is one Brogad there is?
Him don't name Brogad on the team. Thank
you.
you. No, this is... Why did I do that?
It's you.
Don't want it. Here. No.
Go places in Jamaica. Go places in Jamaica. I'm
Guys,
gonna give, go quick.
I thought I liked you and I don't anymore.
Quickly. Mosquito capital.
Portmore. I know something about Jamaica. Oh, we're done?
We have 2 more.
One more. Quick. Oh, your turn.
No,
you see it?
I
okay.
go. Big Bird, Snuffleupagus, Grouch.
Wendy Williams? I'm sorry, Wendy. I love you, Wendy. I'm sorry. Your turn. We're done. So, I'm so sorry, Wendy. I love you. Daytime, I'll be right back talking to Dancehall artisans, Poncho, Caution, and of course the Cookie Monster about the Dancehall Dancers Association. Hey, guys. Hey, Poncho.
Big Bird, Snuffleupagus, the Grouch.
Hey, Poncho. You're right, my friend. Wendy Williams.